the matrix given by m is equal to 1 by root 2 I1 1 I. The eigenvalues of m are, right. So this is a constant multiplication 1 by root 2 into, right, eigenvalue of this matrix. What is the eigenvalue of this matrix? Lambda 1 plus lambda 2, right, that is some trace of this matrix, that is I plus I, that is 2I, and a product of eigenvalues lambda 1 lambda 2, that is I square minus 1. I square is minus 1, then minus 1, that is minus 2, right. So what is lambda 1 and lambda 2? Can I write minus 1 plus I and minus 1 minus I? What is the sum of this? Right, the sum of this is minus 2, right. So we need 2I. Then I plus 1 and I minus 1. Then sum is 2I, right. What is product? Product is, this is a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. I square is minus 1, minus 2, correct. So I plus 1 and I minus 1, right. So first eigenvalue is, we have a constant multiplication here, 1 by root 2 I plus 1 and 1 by root 2 I minus 1. Now what is the modulus of this? First modulus of this is 1 by root 2 whole square plus 1 by root 2 the whole square, that is 1, right. Second one modulus also 1 by root 2 whole square. So write this like this, 1 by root 2 I minus 1 by root 2, right. Then coefficient of this square, a plus ib, if a complex number is in the form a plus ib, right. What is the modulus of that? Is square root of a square plus b square, right. Alright. So like that, then again 1 by root 2 the whole square plus 1 by root 2 the whole square root, right. That is equal to what? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 root 1, that is equal to 1. So both eigenvalues are imaginary, and what is its modulus? Modulus is unity. So which is the option correct? Here real and positive not correct. Purely imaginary with modulus 1, this is correct, right. Complex with modulus 1, right. Real and so this is not correct, right. This is correct because 1 by root 2 into 1 plus I is not purely imaginary. It is a real part. 1 by root 2 is a real part. 1 by root 2 I is the imaginary part. So complex with the modulus 1. Both the roots are, both the eigenvalues are complex, but its magnitude is 1, right.